Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, myself Professor Uday Bukre and now I am welcoming you on your own YouTube channel Ekeeda. If you are watching my video for first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel Ekeeda and also press bell icon for your latest notifications. Friends, today we are going to learn for CA Intercourse Accountancy subject Cash Flow Statement question number 6, which is on your screen. Let's read the question, students. From the following summary cash account, so they ready-made gave you a cash account of X Limited. Prepare a cash flow statement for the year ended 31st of March 2000 X1 in accordance with AS3 revised using direct method. By the way, direct method and indirect method ये जो concept है ये सिर्फ operating activity को applicable है, that we know. So direct method will be used for operating activity, बाकी तो हमेशा direct ही होता है. तो ये word को ज़्यादा ठीक से समझ लो, ठीक है. कंपनी डज नॉट हैव एनी कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट. कैश इक्विवेलेंट मतलब कंपनी के पास कोई भी शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है. फाइन, दैट मीन दे हैव ओनली कैश बैलेंस विद देम व्हिच इज देयर ओपनिंग 50 एंड क्लोजिंग 150. देयर इज नथिंग बियॉन्ड दिस एज अ कैश इक्विवेलेंट. दैट मीन दे हैव ओनली कैश बैलेंस विद देम. व्हाइल गोइंग थ्रू दिस कैश बुक, आई वांट यू टू पे अटेंशन टू द concept how it will be operating activity, how it will be investing activity, how it will be financing activity. Let's see. Issue of shares, can I say financing activity? Cash comes in. Receipt from customers, it is your operating activity. Sale of fixed asset is your investing activity. These all are inflows. Obviously cash received means inflow. Payment to suppliers, operating activity. Purchase of fixed asset, investing activity. Overhead expenses, operating activity because it is your day-to-day cost. Wages and salaries, operating activity. Taxation, operating activity. Dividend paid by you, of course it is on payment side, so it is paid, so it is financing activity. Repayment of bank loan, financing activity. Very simple cash flow statement they are asking you to prepare. Rather they give you cash book ready made in front of you, so we have to just rearrange it as per requirement of AS3. Let's go ahead with the solving of this question. Company का नाम दिया हुआ है X Limited. Friends, I am ready with the format now. It is a cash flow statement and all amounts are in 1000. ठीक है. We have to use direct method for operating activity as we know. First activity, operating activity. We'll go with receipt side first. In operating activities, receipt from customer we can include 2800. On payment side they gave you payment to suppliers, negative 2000 we have to write. Next is overhead expenses. Payment towards wages and salaries 100. And after that they gave you tax paid. How much tax is paid? 250. But before that we will show cash flow from operating activity before tax. From that we will minus tax paid, 250. Final answer is 250. That is net cash generated in operating activity. So net cash generated from operating activities is 250. Second part, cash flow from investing activities. You can notice they gave you sale of fixed assets 100. Since cash comes in, it is your positive cash flow. On payment side you can notice purchase of fixed asset is your outflow in your investing activity. Purchase of fixed asset 200. So if you look at the final amount here, it is 100 but negative. Negative means net cash used in investing activity. Okay, net cash used in investing activities. Third part, cash flow from financing activity. If you look at the financing activity, students, on the receipt side you can notice there is a issue of equity shares 300. On payment side you can notice dividend paid is financing activity and repayment of bank loan is also financing activity. This particular financing activity also showing you negative, so it is also net cash used. When I add up all three, I will get net increase in cash and cash equivalent, and as question saying there are no cash equivalent, it is only the net increase in cash. Net increase in cash balance will be 100. To that I will add opening balance of cash. So you got closing balance of cash 150. Please verify it with the given cash account. Opening में 50 था, closing में 150 बन गया. That's what we have produced here. What I can say, outcome of this question is basically cash flow statement is a summarized cash account. We prepare it as per the requirement of accounting standard, nothing more than that. We divide it in 3 activities: operating activities, financing activities, investing activities. Of course, we have to arrange it in the proper way. Whatever we get, we will just say net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent, and then we will add opening balance. We get the closing balance. Very simple question we have solved with the help of given cash account. Importantly यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला था कौन सा मेथड, ये डायरेक्ट मेथड है. यहाँ पे कहीं पे बोला था यूजिंग डायरेक्ट मेथड, तो आई विल मेंशन हियर कि इट इज अ डायरेक्ट मेथड. Importantly, direct indirect will be applicable only for your operating activity, not for any other activity. Okay, I just hope this easy question you must have understood. If you still have any doubts, please put your comments in your comment box so that we will reply to your queries at earliest. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all.